Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Sophie Mastura, and I'll be talking about one prominent figure in the field of psychology, that is Alfred Adler. He is the founder of individual psychology. He and Sigmund Freud both lived in the same city and same era, yet Adler produced different theory on personality compared to Freud. Similar to Freud, Adler's theory on human nature is influenced by his childhood. Adler was born in 1870 in Vienna. He studied medicine in University of Vienna. Later on, he specialized in neurology and psychiatry. During his childhood, he suffered from rickets and pneumonia. Due to his health conditions, he could not play with other children. He also felt inferior towards his brother and other neighbor children who were healthier and much more athletic compared to him. He tried to overcome his inferiority feelings by joining in sports and games. Why did I choose Alfred Adler? It is because I am interested in his theory, which he suggested that every person strives to overcome his or her own inferior feelings. During my school days, I also tried to overcome my weakness, that is fear of public speaking, by joining in storytelling competition. Alfred Adler has major contributions toward the field of psychology. His idea has influenced other psychologists such as Karen Horney, Abraham Maslow, and Gordon Allport. He introduced the idea of inferiority and compensation. Inferiority is the source of human striving. It is constant and universal. It begins during infancy. During that period, we are small, helpless, and depend on adults. Compensation is an attempt to overcome these inferiority feelings. When we are unable to overcome normal inferiority feelings, we tend to develop inferiority complex. This can be due to various reasons. One of the reasons is organic inferiority, which refers to a person with physical disabilities. One example is Paul Alexander. He contracted polio when he was 6 years old. He was paralyzed from neck to the bottom. Despite his condition, he studied in law school, passed the bar exam, and became a trial lawyer. Alfred Adler also introduced the idea of holism, which is seeing the individual as a whole and a unity of personality. He also stated that each person has a unique personality. His idea is reflected on Gordon Allport's work, which he also stated that each person has a unity of personality. His idea of holism is used on therapy, which therapists can use this concept of holism to understand client's behavior from his mind, body, and their environment. In today's society, we can see that people with disabilities join in Paralympic Games to overcome their physical weakness. My example is Jessica Long. She had her both legs amputated when she was still little. Despite her condition, she became a 13 times Paralympic champion in swimming. I also found out that people can engage in immoral acts to overcome their inferior feelings. One example is bullying in schools can occur because bullies want to seek control and power over their peers. One study by Alma Hasni in 2019 stated that feeling inferior is the strongest predictor for bullying in schools. For conclusion, Adler's theory can be seen in and applied easily in our daily life, such as people strive to achieve success and overcome their weakness. His idea of holism also is used in therapy, which the therapists seek to understand clients' behavior by looking at all aspects of the clients. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.